If you do a lot of cooking during the week like I do, you probably find that you have a lot of leftovers and a lot of scraps. So I'm gonna show you how to creatively use those to reproduce some meals. So check this out. If you have some leftover Parmesan rinds, those are great to throw into the sauce, give it a really nice good flavor, take them out, throw them in the garbage, free flavor there. Anytime I get celery and I have a leftover stalk, just put it into a bowl with some carrot peels and some leftover onion, and that makes really good stock. And I use a lot of ginger when I cook. If I ever have leftover ginger, throw it in the freezer, and when it's frozen, it grates really nicely. It's like ginger snow, and it'll stay forever in the freezer. And I always seem to have stale bread lying around, and there's a lot of things that you can do to stale bread to get some secondary maneuvers out of it. They make great breadcrumbs, they make great croutons, and also the Mighty Compost Bag. This thing is great for onion peels and stuff like that. Be good to the earth and be good to your compost. Your garden will love that. So those are some of my meal saving tips and some ways to use up some scraps in the kitchen.